Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an MBRP exhaust install, so stay tuned and let's get the intro rolling. Okay, so we're going to be doing an open box just to see what's in it. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you open up your box. Alright, so I think this might be the exhaust tip, but let's check. Ooh, oh, okay. So these are some hats, MBRP hats, and some flags they sent me. Thanks, guys. So let's switch out the hat for today. Let's see if it fits. All right, let's check it out. All right. Okay. So let's get to opening this up. Unboxing ASMR. Okay. Okay. So we didn't get the black tip, but what we did, we got a stainless steel tip. All right, so here's a typical 3-inch catback exhaust kit that you'll get from MBRP. You'll get your install instructions and some clamps for the install. So this video is not going to be a detailed install. For more details, you can refer to their install manual. But yeah, we're going to just do the install now and then get to reviewing. Spray off the bolts. Okay, so far there are 3 hangers. Just lubricate that with some WD-40. It should help in getting them out. Able to come out. Use a crowbar. Pop it out like that. And there you go. Now 2 more to go. So 1 bolt on the left side, or the driver's side of the vehicle, is going to be longer than the passenger side, so you're going to have to use a longer socket. Okay. So I grabbed a jack handle from car jack. We're going to use some leverage to get this sucker out. There we go. Now, it should just drop. Let's make sure it's not on any wires. Okay. Now to get the front off, and we can pull it out. So now since we have the other hangers off, now we can pull back the muffler to get the front screws off, so we can just push it off the hanger. All right. Sweet. Now we can pull it out.
2 hours later.
Okay, so 2 things. You either have to chop off the exhaust, or you have to get the truck up on a lift or jack it up higher into like a safer location. Right here, we were on a slant. We didn't want to have to risk it, so we just chopped it off. So yeah, let's get this off and let's do a straight pipe audio clip. Yeah, so that straight pipe sounds really good. I'm tempted to leave it on there, but I think that the MBRP exhaust will sound really good. So let's get that on and let's get rolling. Alright, so we got all the hangers all attached, so now we're just going to tighten down all the bolts and we should be good to go. Cool. Okay, so we got the exhaust all tightened up and it's all ready to go, so we're going to do a first cold start and do some high revs.